हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू बुकेस्ट्रा। आप में से कई लोगों को मूवी देखना बुक पढ़ने से ज़्यादा पसंद होगा।
Hello guys, today we will be talking about some famous movies which are inspired by books or are based on books. And you will be surprised to know कि कौन सी movies ऐसी हैं जो actually in books पे based हैं. So it is really surprising. And today हमारे साथ पूजा चौधरी हैं from the Messy Slab. She's collaborating with the Bookestra and it's like really great. And we have Kritika Doltani. आप उसका Instagram page handle Art Truck follow कर सकते हैं. वो बहुत अच्छी drawings बनाती है and she's amazing and she's my cousin. So please follow करना. मैं promotion ही कर रही हूँ.
So book number 1 is Hamlet. It's Shakespeare's longest play. So in this book we have Hamlet who wants to take revenge against his uncle. His uncle is a very bad man. His uncle killed his father, Hamlet's father, because he wanted to seize his throne and also married his wife, matlab Hamlet's mother. First of all, what a monster. Guess which Bollywood movie is inspired by this play? Heather. Lead actor is played wonderfully by our favorite Shahid Kapoor. This film is both modern day adaptation of William Shakespeare's tragedy Hamlet and an adaptation of Bashrat Peer's book Curfewed Night. मूवी की रेटिंग IMDb पर 8.1 है. I think you should watch this film.
Everybody, this is Pooja and you must be knowing me if you have seen my YouTube videos or checked my Insta handle account by the name of The Messy Slab. So now the second book which we would be discussing is Gone Girl, and this book mainly revolves around Nick Dune, who became a prime suspicious for his wife, that is Emmy's disappearance. The people who love this book are the people who love thrill and mystery. So if you do not love both of them, then too it would grab your attention. I have read this book and even watched the movie and I loved it. And the IDPM gave it the rating of 8.1. Yeah, 8.1.
Third movie on the list is actually the second highest rated movie on IMDb, The Godfather. It's based on a novel of the same name, and it has 3 parts. मूवी बेस्ड है एक डॉन के ऊपर जो एक माफिया फैमिली का हेड होता है और वो अपने एम्पायर को अपने यंगेस्ट सन को ट्रांसफर कर रहा होता है, और इस प्रोसेस में वो कुछ ऐसे डिसीजन लेता है जो उसकी फैमिली के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा डिजास्टर्स हो जाते हैं. इस स्टोरी जानने के लिए या तो आप मूवी देख सकते हैं या आप नॉवल पढ़ सकते हैं, और दोनों ही बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी हैं, तो आप अपने प्रेफरेंस के अकॉर्डिंग देख सकते हैं. और इस मूवी की रेटिंग है IMDb पे 9.2.
So the fourth one is The Pursuit of Happiness. It is based on an autobiography of a billionaire. It is an inspiring and emotional story, like amazing, and people like Gauri will cry. Actually, she really cried after watching the movie. I mean, okay, people may cry. Okay, so the story revolves around Chris Gardner, who takes up an unpaid internship, and because he actually loses his life's earning selling a product he invested in, and his wife left him and he's left with the custody of his son. So how he deals with the situation and his son is worth watching. So it is an inspiring story. IMDb gave it 8 out of 10 rating, and you can watch it on Amazon Prime if you have the subscription.
Hello everyone, this is Kritika Doltani. So the last but not the least is The Namesake. It is a Bollywood film which was released in 2006, but actually it was the first novel of an American author, Jhumpha Lahiri. The story surrounds Ashima and Ashok, immigrant Bengali parents who try to live and adjust their life in America, while the son Kogol tries to find his identity and choose between the two worlds. This movie is rated 7.5 on IMDb, and hope you all enjoy the movie because I did.
देखो, अगर मूवी में इतना होगा तो बुक में इतना होगा, क्योंकि 2 घंटे में इतना नहीं डाल सकते हैं. तो रीडिंग विल ऑलवेज बी ए बेटर ऑप्शन, बट अगर आप प्रेफर मूवी देखना करते हैं तो ये जो मूवीज़ हमने बताई हैं ये सारी मास्टरपीसेस हैं. यू विल लव दैम.
I hope you guys enjoy these movies, and हमें कमेंट्स में बताइए कि 5 में से आपको सबसे अच्छी मूवी कौन सी लगती है अगर आपने देखी है, और अगर आपने नहीं देखी तो देखकर बताइए हमें कि आपको सबसे अच्छी मूवी कौन सी लगी. You can also DM us on our Instagram page, and if you want any suggestions related to books, movies and anything, you can DM us on our Instagram page Bookestra.
We want to thank Bookestra for this collaboration. And I have the YouTube channel by the name of The Messy Slab. I make the videos on 4F, that is fun, food, fashion and fitness. If you like any of them, then don't forget to check my channel, and the link is in the description box, and it is by the name of The Messy Slab. So guys, do not forget to subscribe this amazing channel, that is Bookesta, and subscribe to both of them and click on the bell icon.
तो बस फिर मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में दिल बेचारे के रिव्यू के साथ.
So तब तक के लिए please take care of yourself and don't forget to like, share and subscribe us. It is really important for us. It motivates us. So please do subscribe us and thank you.